Alright, this is Zombie Killers coming out with a display of my airsoft and BB gun and one slingshot, a pellet gun video. First one is a stakeout. As you all know, a stakeout, you have to cock it. And to shoot it, this is long, short range. When you cock it, before you cock it, you put it for long and short range. Then you cock it. Make sure you push it off really hard or else it doesn't work. Then you're ready. The next one is my Colt 45 magazine, extended mags in the back. All you have to do is hold it up, shake it, get a couple bullets in there. I'm going to shoot this one for you guys. It's supposed to look like that, and then you just push that. Now, I'm going to shoot it for you guys. And that's when it's empty. That's what it will look like. Alright, the next one is my B-Men P17. It's a pellet gun. These are the pellets I recommend. They're not the sharpest, but they'll kill anything. I've killed 2 squirrels with it already. It's hard to close, and it automatically puts your safety on. I'm also going to shoot this one for you. Misfire. And this one, it doesn't shoot because I have to charge the battery. But this is what it's going to look like if you buy this off the internet. It's going to come with 2 mags, and it's going to have a battery. Where the battery goes is right here. Pull this out, and there's a little place right there, and then that. Then you hook it. It's going to come with its charger. And it does not come with the scope, so, yeah. Alright, the next one is one slingshot. I'm going to fire this for you, but these actually come off, so if this one breaks, then you can buy more. And they tend to, if you shoot rocks, they tend to move. So don't try to kill anything with rocks. But the next gun is my Daisy Powerline 35. And I made it in kind of a sniper. And these are the ammo I would tend to use for these guns because they're the best. And I'll fire this there. And I haven't sighted my scope yet. This one's a little bigger. It broke right here, so I have to do tape. But as soon as my front sight's gone, so as soon as you cock it, you really have to shoot. So if you intend on shooting something and your front sight's gone, cock it then. Didn't make it. This, not the best gun. When you shoot, my butt pad already broke, so that's really bad. It doesn't shoot the best, but it's alright. I've killed a bunch of birds with it. It's really nice. One more gun. It is a Marksman repeater, BB cal 4.5 millimeter. .177 caliber. It gets annoying every time you have to cock it. And this one, you really have to aim like way down because this one likes to move like a lot. That went right over it. This is how you cock it. push your safety in, push this down, pull it back, and you can also shoot it like this, but it tends to go higher. So yeah, you push that in like that, push this in, put your safety back, then you're ready. Oh yeah, for your Colt 45, it also comes with a holster. It doesn't come with an extended mag. I didn't get that, but it doesn't. And when it looks like that and like that, never leave it like that in the case. Always have no bullets in, put it in, then ready. This is not the right clip, though. Alright, please subscribe and rate and comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.